everybody, welcome back to Touchy Reactions.
Hey.
We got surprising news today.
That's right. It's finally our silver play button for 100,000 subscribers has shown up. We're going to share the unboxing with you guys. Ready to jump into it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Here's the box. Comes from Society Awards, Designer Custom Creations.
Wow.
Try not to cut myself on camera.
Yes, please don't do that. Ooh. Please don't cut yourself.
Alright.
Okay.
Hard part's over.
Oh.
Let's see how much crazy padding they put in here. Holy moly. Oh, it's the big package. It's the big package. Alright, so we had two packages that we ordered. One of them was just our free play button, but then we got some extra ones for other places and other people, and this is the good package. So we got lots of stuff in here to check out. This one right here. We'll start here since it's on top. Boom!
Ooh, so pretty.
That is the
silver play button.
First off, we got this letter here. Do you remember your first subscriber? I actually do. It was Robin. Thank you, Robin. Love you. And or your 1,000th subscriber. Chances are you do, and we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube and learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came across your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because you and your community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with even more of your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write you and ask you, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Well, that was very cool. Definitely gonna check that out. All right, this is our silver desktop play button. This thing is heavy.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, Cindy. Feel this.
Oh, it's like a brick.
It's like a brick. This thing is heavy.
Oh wow, it's so
I'll give
pretty.
you a close-up of it here. On the bottom it has the Society Awards logo. On the back it says, can you see it? Touchy Reactions, congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers. Congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. This thing is heavy. This is solid. Whatever this metal is, it's cut solid. Very cool. All right, that's part one. Put that over there.
What is this, like a authenticity?
Oh, yeah, what is that? Maybe it's a cleaning cloth or something? I don't know. Ah, come on. Society Award. Certificate of Authenticity, I think is what this is.
Okay.
All right, so that's a whole thing. We'll put those aside. We'll check those out later. On to the next one. I'm glad this is the box that came, because now we got all the fun stuff.
Right?
All right, next one. This one's a lot lighter. A lot
Is this
lighter
the letter?
box. I don't know. Let's find out. Got the same letter here. And set that aside. This is a congratulations on your milestone. This award was packed by Rick. This is it. This is the actual, everybody sees it on the wall behind you, play button that we're all used to seeing. They made them a lot smaller these days. See that, baby? This is presented to Touchy Reactions for passing 100,000 subscribers. I'll get a close-up for everybody. Woo. How about that, huh?
Very nice. Oh, it's got myrrh. Hey.
Hey, how you doing? And this one's a lot lighter.
Oh, yeah.
A lot lighter. But that's the new size of the... They used to be like this big. So, all you earlier YouTubers that got the big ones, I'm jealous. I wish there was a company selling the big ones still, because I'd totally buy one of the big ones. The gold play buttons are now the big ones. Don't be moving that. Don't be shaking. You gotta be... Oh, this might just be a duplicate. So we got a couple of these. So, yeah, this is another one. This will be Cindy's for her office.
Now, does Robin say, like, Robin on it?
Just says Touchy Reactions. I'm going to sign something on the back of it for her. All right, so that are those. We actually might have another one of those in here. Let's see, this might be the same thing again, because I think we got 3 of those. Yes. Here we go, there's the third one. One of those is going to work with me. Now, this one is the last item on the list. This one's kind of special. Cut this open. I'm so glad this is the box that came. Otherwise, we would have had to do a second unboxing when this one showed up. So, alright, this is kind of cool. Some of you may not have seen something like this before or even known it was available. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the bag without revealing it. There we go. This is a metallic copy of the letter that was sent.
Oh, wow.
It's very nice, very pretty. We're going to actually get that mounted with the award itself. Looks
And that
cool.
silver play button too, right?
So check that out. Let's get our reflections in the picture there. Hey, look at that. It's us. I don't know if we're both in there, but who knows? We're both in yours, right?
Sure, yeah.
Very cool. All right, so that's it for our unboxing. Lots of cool stuff here. Exciting times. It was October 3rd, 2001 we started this journey. And here we are at the end of, what is this, May? End of May 2025. And we've made it to 100,000. Thanks to all of you. We appreciate it very much. Love you guys.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate you stopping by. And don't forget to come on back.
Bye.
Hey everybody, if you like that, YouTube has an algorithm that knows everything you like and knows you'll like this.
Come check it out.
You know you'll wanna.
Who knows what it could be. It's definitely not an unboxing video. We've only done one of those.